Hi everyone! Welcome back again to Bonna's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share to you an oatmeal chocolate fudge bar or known as Revel bar recipe. If you like this recipe, hit the like button as it helps the channel a lot. Let's get baking! For the dough or the crust, we will need 3 cups of rolled oats. You can also use quick or instant oats, 2.5 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. Now, mix together the oats, flour, baking soda, and salt. In a bowl, add the butter, using a hand mixer or stand mixer, cream the butter, scrape the sides of the bowl, then add the brown sugar and cream them together. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Continue beating. Then, add the egg one at a time. And continue beating. And occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. And add the last egg. And continue beating. Then, add in the vanilla extract and beat them together until they are well combined. Now, gradually add the flour mixture. And then use the hand mixer to mix them together. By the way, this dough is a bit heavy and thick. You can also use your stand mixer to mix them together. In a 9 by 13 inches baking pan, spread 2/3 of the dough. So this is the only one left for the topping later. So now, spread the dough and flatten it evenly. You can use your clean hands as well to do it. And we will set this aside. For the chocolate layer, we will need 300 grams of dark baking chocolate, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a pan over low heat, add the condensed milk, then add the dark chocolate, and cook this until the chocolate are melted. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix them together. Once the chocolate is completely melted, add the butter and mix them together. And once the butter is already completely melted and is fully combined with the chocolate, turn off the heat. Now, pour the chocolate on top of the dough. And then, spread it evenly. Now, dot the remaining dough all over the top of the chocolate layer, just like this. Press the dotted dough gently and bake this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let this completely cool. Once it's already completely cool, you can pop this in the fridge for a while before cutting them. After chilling in the fridge, we will now cut our Revel bars. By the way, if you want to have a clean cut, like this one, just dip your knife into a hot water. And here's our finished product! This Revel bar is chewy and fudgy and delicious. I hope you will try this recipe. This is what it looks like inside. Don't forget to subscribe to see my next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!